the team sends you one trigger question. And the trigger question is supposed to trigger thoughts in you. Because every day, nobody reminds you to eat food. Nobody reminds you to drink water. God has made you in such a way that you will eat. Have you forgotten to eat for 3 days? Gautam, have you forgotten to drink water for 3 days? No, you'll say no. God has created in such a way that I automatically eat food. I feel hungry. I feel thirsty. But why don't you feel thirsty for God? Why don't you feel thirsty for realization? Why don't you feel thirsty for enlightenment? Knowledge is not enlightenment. Knowledge is not realization. So if you think that you can read a book and you can get enlightened, you can't. Everybody in this world would be enlightened. Because the subject of enlightenment is not an easy subject. Therefore, over the last 3,000 years, 4,000 years, a lot of importance is given on one-on-one question and answer session. A lot of importance. And I didn't give you the secret. Today, I'll tell you a little secret. Why I started this. Why I started this question answer. Have I told you, Hitkari ji, maine aapko kaha hai kabhi? Why I started this. I used to wait for 1 month to meet my guru to ask one question. I used to travel to far, far places to meet my guru for 1 minute. For 1 minute, I would wait for 3 hours. 3 hours, he would be busy talking to everybody. I would be waiting to ask 1 minute question. And I felt it so priceless to be able to get questions answered. Who will answer our questions? Can we go and answer? If you're willing to pay 5,000 rupees on Google for the right answer, can you press a button and pay 5,000 or 10,000 and get the answer? Please tell me where we can do it. We can't do it. This is priceless. And that is why we have committed a lifetime 30 minutes to answer. People do kirtan. Lot of people do bhajan and kirtan every day in so many Satya Sai Baba and this Baba and that Baba and so many pujas and temples. Every day there is kirtan. Good to have kirtan, good to have bhajan. People go to church. People go to church either every day, every Sunday. People go to different institutions. But Jnana Yoga, the yoga of knowledge, the yoga of wisdom is the most precious. It is the most effective way to connect to God. So let us start with our question and answer session. Surinder Goyal.
शिवोहम सर जी सर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि हम राउंड राउंड घूम रहे हैं फर्स्ट बाय नेगेशन बाय सेइंग नेति नेति आई एम नॉट द बॉडी आई एम नॉट द माइंड आई एम नॉट द ईगो आई एम द कॉन्शियसनेस and in soul consciousness and God consciousness I came to know that consciousness is everywhere and everything is God. पहले हमने मना कर दिया सर कि नहीं है और फिर हमने कह दिया कि सब कुछ ही भगवान है तो ये सर्कल में नहीं घूम रहे हैं सर हम उसी
कौन से सर्कल में घूम रहे हैं आप
राउंड राउंड सर पहले हमने मना किया कि ये नहीं है हम कि बॉडी मैं नहीं हूँ
बॉडी नहीं है
इज नॉट कॉन्शियसनेस
बिल्कुल
और माइंड इज नॉट कॉन्शियसनेस ईगो इज नॉट कॉन्शियसनेस देन आई सेड
एक मिनट किसने बोला नॉट कॉन्शियसनेस किसने बोला आपको नेति नेति मीन्स आई एम नॉट दिस बॉडी आई कौन बोल रहा है आई जिसका नाम है सुरेंद्र गोयल आई एम अ डॉक्टर ये जो डॉक्टर है जिसका नाम है सुरेंद्र गोयल जो दिल्ली में सबको एनेस्थीसिया देता है ये मैं नहीं हूं ये तो सिर्फ मेरा एक रूप है अगर कल आप अगर मैं बोलता हूं अगर किसी ने अमिताभ बच्चन को बोला तुम शराबी हो तो वो शराबी बन गया क्या बिकॉज मूवी इन द मूवी ही वाज शराबी डज इट मीन दैट ही बिकेम शराबी नो ही स्टिल अमिताभ बच्चन शराबी इज वाज अ रोल द ड्रंकर्ड वाज अ रोल करेक्ट शायद वो शमी कपूर था शमी कपूर ने फिल्म किया चाहे कोई मुझे जंगली कहे जंगली बन गया क्या नहीं जंगली नहीं बना वो एक्टिंग था सुरेंद्र गोयल जी you are not the body that you appear to be neti neti you are not the mind tattvamasi thou art that you are not going round in circles you are climbing a ladder you are evolving and going up and up and up That is not going round in circles. पहले प्लेन जो है ना रनवे में राउंड राउंड मारता है, वो पहले राउंड राउंड मारता है, उसके बाद टेक ऑफ करता है, उसके बाद आसमान में उड़ता है, उसके बाद डेस्टिनेशन में लैंड होता है. तो कहाँ पे आप अटक गए बोलते बताइए.
Sir, in God realization, we said that everything is God.
कोई
And the
डाउट है?
body
You
is,
have any doubt?
sir, then the body is also God. Matter is also
Absolutely.
God.
Absolutely. It is not. It is not. Therefore, it is. A ring. A ring is not a ring, but it is gold. क्या गलती है इसमें? Appearance, it appears to be a ring, but ये मिथ्या है.
It is illusion.
मिथ्या का मतलब क्या है? दिखता सच पर वो ना है. जैसे अंगूठी दिखती अंगूठी पर सच में अंगूठी ना है. अंगूठी से अगर हम सोना निकाले तो फिर वो कहाँ है? सोना अगर निकल जाए अंगूठी ना है. अंगूठी तो ये मिथ्या है. Like that, you are a mithya. You are appearing as Surinder Goyal, but you are not Surinder Goyal.
Yes, sir. I got it, sir.
तो ये सुरेंद्र ये मत समझिए. You don't mind me telling. You will not feel bad if I tell you something.
No, sir.
You are a super expert in shlokas and those things. मैं आपको discourage नहीं करता हूँ, लेकिन कभी-कभी सुरेंद्र, many of these shlokas they confuse us, and they don't mind me saying it. I have no bad intention.
No issues.
I'm only saying because मेरा intention ये मुझे आपसे क्या चाहिए? मेरा यही उम्मीद है कि with listening to me you will reach where I have. मैं 2 कदम चला हूँ. I want to tell you कि मैं कहाँ 2 कदम पहुंचा हूँ. मुझे आपको बताना है बस. फिर उसके बाद आपको चलना है नहीं चलना है वो तो आप मालिक है.
So that's why we are learning from you.
So I'm just telling you, please be careful. Not every shloka of every scripture has been interpreted in the right way. It
Yes,
may
sir.
be having a right meaning, लेकिन इसका meaning किसी ने translate किया. अलग-अलग लोगों ने अलग-अलग translation किया है. आप एक श्लोक लेंगे 4 लोगों ने 4 अलग explanation दिया है. आप मानते नहीं मानते हैं?
नहीं,
तो
बिल्कुल सही है, sir.
And what is right, sir? So you focus on self-realization and God realization. Only this, nothing else. Thank you, Surinder ji.
Thank you, sir.
Shiva, thank you. Next, please. Ashok Chotwani. Ashok Chotwani. Ashok Chotwani is asking to read his question. Am I right, Ashok? You want me to read out the question?
Yeah, yes, sir.
My question is, it is well known karma is everything. Even though everyone is requesting and praying God for his grace and mercy, whenever he is suffering from difficulties and problems, is God listening? Is God listen? Is it advisable to pray when we are in difficulties or not? And accept our previous karma suffering? Ashok Chotwani, you have understood the point very clearly, but please pay attention. You know that if you are suffering today, it is karma. You have any doubt about it, or you don't have a doubt about it?
No, sir.
You're clear about it.
Yeah,
But when
Yeah.
you pray, that is the biggest karma. When you pray now, that is the highest level of karma that it can nullify other karmas. समझे नहीं? Are you
okay.
agreeing
Yeah,
to what I-
yes, sir. I understand.
Suppose I have, see that now there are 2 aspects to it. I'm going to give you both the aspects. Suppose I got cancer. Suppose I have cancer and I pray to God. God, I'm suffering. You please, I want to be free from this pain. God, I'm willing to do anything to you. God, I'm devoted to you. I believe in you. I love you. This is a good karma. But the point is, higher than this is to transcend the body, is to transcend the suffering. God has given us an opportunity to bypass every suffering. So we
Okay, sir.
can go beyond all suffering with enlightenment.
Correct, sir.
अगर हमें पता चले हम
True,
ये
sir.
body नहीं, suffer कौन? Ashok, who is suffering? Ashok, body is suffering. Who
Body
is suffering?
suffering, yes, sir.
Or mind is suffering.
Mind is
Suppose
Yeah.
mind is suffering. Suppose children are troubling a lot. Suppose somebody says I'm very miserable. Why you are miserable? Because my son is taking drugs. Your mind, your son is taking drugs. Okay, stop. Don't be miserable.
Yeah.
What can you do about it? You do what you can do. No point in becoming miserable.
Yeah.
What will happen by being miserable? Nothing is going to happen.
Yeah, yeah. True, sir.
So we have to transcend the suffering by realization of the truth. But prayer, to answer your question, prayer is not useless. Prayer is a very good karma. Prayer, bhakti, devotion is a very good karma. We must pray. Like I told Sanjay Das yesterday, but we must know to whom we are praying and what we are saying.
Yeah, yeah.
That only our prayer
True,
will be
sir.
effective. Then only our karma will be positive. Thank you, Ashok Chotwani.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Krishna sir, again, everybody is giving WhatsApp questions today.
Shivam sir. My
Shiva,
net is having the problem, sir. That is
No
the
problem.
reason I had given WhatsApp message.
No problem. I have no problem at all.
Even though mind and ego are making me a fool, why I am not able to remember this always, sir?
That is the challenge, no, Krishna Sarma.
It is very
The
difficult, sir,
mind,
to
and,
remember.
the mind and the ego is our biggest enemy.
Yeah.
We think we are me. Huh? We
Yes.
think we are me, M-E.
Yes, sir.
This me is the mind and the ego.
Yes,
But
sir.
we are not. The mind and ego is making us fool. But again, we are getting trapped by the mind and ego.
Yes, sir.
Again, we are overcoming it. We realize and we are attending one talk. We are reading one book and we are going beyond the mind and ego. Again, we are falling in this. Let me tell you one small story,
Yes, sir.
which I'm supposed to tell, I think, after a few days. But let me tell you now. I'll repeat it later.
Yes, sir.
There is a small cup of honey.
Okay.
Small cup of honey.
Okay. Okay, sir.
One fly comes there and it tries to sip that honey.
Mm.
It enjoys. Ah, so good. And it goes a little bit more. It enjoys the honey. Then its wings get stuck in that honey. And it gets stuck and it goes and and very often you see in your cup of chai, the fly comes to drink your chai, but after a few minutes, the fly is floating in the chai because it sank in the chai. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
How many other flies are seeing it happening? Many flies are seeing. Many flies are seeing.
Many flies are seeing.
But again, they're repeating the same thing.
Yes.
Same, no? You understand?
No, fly means may not be having this kind of analysis. But why we are educated people and known and having a guru like you, again and again we are falling prey to these things.
So this is the challenge, Krishna Sarma. This is why we need constant grace of the divine and the guidance of the guru. Without that, we will definitely sink.
Yes.
Today, 99% of the people in this world are sinking. Krishna Sarma,
Yes,
you are
sir.
lucky. You are not one amongst those 99. You are swimming. You are not sinking. Whether you will reach the destination or not, I don't know. But you are swimming. Now, your challenge is not to sink. Your challenge is to keep on swimming till you reach that goal. That is our challenge.
Hey, Guru's grace is required, sir.
So, see, I'll tell you something.
Yeah.
The guru, a guru's guide, not grace, a guru's guidance will always be there. Grace of the God is always there. But like I said, the grace of God is like sun shining.
Yes, sir.
Sun is shining on the whole world. If somebody is
Yeah.
going inside the cave and saying it is so dark, it is so dark,
You can't get
it
it.
is-
Yes, sir.
then why do we blame God for saying why there is no sunshine, God? So
It is his mistake.
grace of God is on everybody. Guru's guidance is also there. There are good gurus available in this world. We must find the right guru, not the natak guru. If you find a natak guru, then you also will become one natak.
Yes.
Because if you get the wrong advice, it's a big problem. Do you know, Mr. Sharma, let me tell you something. I must have met at least 20 gurus.
Papre.
I must have met minimum 20 gurus.
Yes, sir.
But I realized the true guru, I could find only one or two. One, two, three people whom I followed. And one main guru whom I followed. So we have to be careful. There were so many gurus I met. Big gurus. Even till today, there are so many big gurus. A guru is not by the name and by the look and by the followers. The Guru is by the ability to take you from darkness to light. As long as you are seeing light, you are in the right path. If the Guru is creating darkness, please stop, turn and go somewhere else. If I am not showing you the light, then I am not the right mentor for you. I should be showing you the right path, the right light. If you are not seeing the light, then I'm useless.
Sir, one request, sir.
Yes.
I should get more and more interest in enlightenment. So you have to explain enlightenment so that I cannot leave it at any moment.
You must get more interest in enlightenment.
I want to get enlightenment. Unless the interest is created, unreduced interest is to be created. How to get that one?
You are not paying attention to the beauty of enlightenment. I am telling you that I am.
You have to tell us, sir.
Yeah, I am telling you now. I am only tasting one small part of it, one sip of enlightenment, one sip I am drinking, and it is such a nectar, it is such an ananda that there are no problems, there are no difficulties, there is no misery. I have become the happiest man in the world.
We want the same state, sir. We want the same state.
Yeah, then you follow the same path. If you keep on doing what you are doing, you will keep on getting what you are getting. If you do not want what you are getting, then you change what you are doing.
Yes.
If you keep on planting the seed, you will keep on getting the same fruit on the tree. If you want to change your destiny, then change the deed you are planting. It is very easy. It is not difficult to get enlightened. I am telling one thing. It is not difficult to get enlightened. I am telling the second thing. The highest peak of happiness in this world, the highest peak is enlightenment.
Yes, sir.
It is the best thing one can achieve in this world. You cannot get anything better than enlightenment. I am telling you this. You understand one point? No, Sister Sharma. What am I seeking from you?
Sir.
Am I seeking anything from you?
Nothing. No,
then
no.
Why will I?
No.
Why will I tell you? What is my selfishness to tell you to be on this path?
No,
what will be
not...
my benefit?
no special benefit for you, sir. No personal benefit.
So
only thing is you are helping us to get enlightened.
I can show you the path. I can tell you that it is the most beautiful path to be on, but you have to walk. I can give the direction to you. I can tell you this is the way to do it. I can tell you, like today I told Surinder Goyal, with folded hands I told him, be careful in what you read. Sometimes I tell you, right, I tell you something. You take a beautiful, beautiful bottle of mineral water and you want to drink it. But you take a glass and you pour the water and the glass is dirty. What happened to the mineral water?
It is spoiled. We cannot, that also has become dirty.
Whenever I go to a darshani, you know, darshani is small restaurants to eat food. When I go to eat chole bhature on the road or vada pav, I will never take a glass. I will open the Bisleri bottle and drink straight from the bottle.
That is better.
So you also please drink enlightenment straight from the bottle.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Don't put it in any glass because don't dilute your knowledge and your realizations.
Thank you, sir.
Bridget, question. If God is each of us and in each other, why it's hard to find our way for our realization? Sometimes look like if somebody put France for blockers, right or no? France. I didn't understand. Somebody put a France to block us. But I'll attend the first part of the question from Bridget. If God is in each one of us, friends.
I talk about fans.
Friends, right? Your
yes,
friends.
Fans.
Okay.
Fans. It's clôture.
Oh, fence. You mean a fence, a blockage, a fence.
Yes.
Okay,
yes, because it's not easy for me. It's the language and the way.
I'm sorry. My reading is, I'm becoming a little blind, so I'm sorry. So, okay. So if God,
I'm sorry for you.
Okay. If God is in each one of us and in each other, why it's hard to find our way for realization? Because God has hidden himself inside us. And God wants to know how much we love God. If we really love God, then we will not sink in this world. If you go to a departmental store in Quebec or France, you can be lost in the merchandise. in the perfumes and in the clothes and the shoes and the handbags. There is so much merchandise, right, Bridget? You can be lost. Where is the time to think of God? Because there is so much. These are the fences that you're talking about. The fence is the material possessions, the attachments. Many of us are attached to relationships. We are caught in these relationships and we don't realize that these relationships are making us drown. We don't realize that we have to fly in the sky. So whether it's merchandise, whether it's a product, whether it's a person, we have to be careful. It's hard to find our way because enlightenment is so rewarding. It's hard to climb to Mount Everest. Yeah, because it's so beautiful to climb Mount Everest. It's not easy. Everybody will go climb Mount Everest if it was easy to climb. But it's very difficult to climb Mount Everest. So, my dear Bridget, it is very, very beautiful. Very beautiful. I cannot tell you how beautiful it is, how ecstatic it is, how joyous it is to see God everywhere, to experience God. Your heart will dance with so much joy. But unfortunately, there are barriers. This fence, you talk this fence. So we have to cross the fence. The mind and the ego is blocking us. We all have a mind. The mind is a rascal. It is stopping us. But that's the challenge God has put for everybody. Otherwise, everybody would be enlightened. God is not the game of God. This is a game in the world. The game of God is 99% of the people will continue playing the game. Only 1% will go to God. You are aiming to be in that 1% to realize God. So we have to work hard. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Ranveer.
Shivam, sir.
Shivam, Ranveer.
Sir, my question is there any difference between self-realization and God-realization?
Of course. Self-realization is the first step. God realization is the ultimate step.
Okay.
So there are two major goals. But the way to God realization is self-realization. Self-realization is the first step. How do I explain to you? Suppose you are going from Jaipur to Bombay, but the train is via Delhi. तो पहले दिल्ली जाएंगे, बाद में बॉम्बे जाएंगे ना.
Okay.
So you can't say Delhi is Bombay. No, Delhi is not Bombay. Delhi is on the way to Bombay. We will pass Delhi and then go to Bombay. You will go to self-realization, then you will go to God realization. मतलब ये Ranveer. What is God realization? What do you understand by God realization?
We know the God deeply.
You know Lavina?
Yeah.
You know Vitthal?
Yeah.
You know God?
Yeah. Also.
Tell me, there is God. Who is God?
In
What
Lavina.
is God?
So God is everywhere, na?
आप बोल रहे हैं ना? Then you don't need God realization, ना? अगर you say God is everywhere, then you are already God realized.
No, this is my knowledge, sir.
So to get that, to turn the knowledge of God realization, first you need self-realization. Abhi, you are attending these calls every day, correct? You are very keen to attend the call. By now you know you are not Ranveer. Ranveer is just your name. इतना आप जान चुके हैं. You know, ये body जो मैं हूँ ये नहीं हूँ. इतना भी आप जान चुके हैं.
Yes.
But फिर भी, still, you are going to the stylist and saying, ये तो दाढ़ी है ना, ये थोड़ा make it like Shah Rukh Khan, make it like Amir Khan, make it, huh? Don't mind me saying, what I'm saying is we are all, Ranveer, we are all prisoners. I'm using the word, we are prisoners of the body, mind and ego. जब तक हम ये prison से बाहर नहीं निकलेंगे, till we don't get out and we realize, you have to realize you are that soul. The moment you realize that you are the soul, then you will not see Lavina as Lavina. You will say she's a soul. You will say Gautam, Vitthal, Gautam is a soul. you will look at a dog. You will look at a dog as a soul. If a mosquito is biting you, you will not kill it like this, because you will say, "Ye bhi ek atma hai." So that is God realize. God realization means, I told you last time, but I'll tell you. We have too many questions. Okay, let me tell you what is the meaning of God realization. Okay, God realization means प्रभु तो है हर जगह, हर शय में वो है, कोई जगह ना जहां वो नहीं है, कण कण में वो है, उसके बिन कुछ नहीं है, सब कुछ वही है, सब कुछ वही है। रणवीर प्रभु है, संजय दास भी प्रभु है, हितकारी वही
क्या?
है, लवीना भी वही है, छोटवानी प्रभु है, सुदीप भी वही है, अजित एक वही है, विषम भी वही है, निचानी प्रभु है, कुमार स्वामी प्रभु है, प्रभाकर प्रभु है, ब्रिजेट भी वही है, क्यूबेक में वो रहती फिर भी वो प्रभु है, वीना प्रभु है, शिवा भी प्रभु है, सुरेंद्र प्रभु है, गौतम भी प्रभु है, कोमल प्रभु है, गिरीश भी प्रभु है, अम्मा भी प्रभु है, रईस भी अल्लाह है, प्रतिमा प्रभु है, लक्ष्मी भी लक्ष्मी है, किशन भी प्रभु है, रुचिका भी प्रभु है, फोटो छुपाया फिर भी वो देवी है, फल में प्रभु है, फल में भी प्रभु है, सब कुछ प्रभु है, सब कुछ प्रभु है, आसमां प्रभु है, बादल भी प्रभु है, चंदा प्रभु है, सूरज भी प्रभु है, हवा भी प्रभु है, बारिश भी वही है, सब कुछ वही है, सब कुछ वही है, मिट्टी प्रभु है, पंछी भी प्रभु है, मछली प्रभु है, समुंदर भी वही है, लहर भी प्रभु है, इंडिया भी प्रभु है, अरेबिया प्रभु है, अमेरिका भी वही है, चाइना प्रभु है। Should I continue? This is where
No, I can't forget, sir. God realization.
my point is, I am not just telling you as a drama. You reach
No, no,
that
sir.
level. You reach that level where you see God everywhere. You have to get to that point. And for getting to that point, Ranveer, first you must realize, मैं एक आत्मा हूं. You have to realize that. Neti neti tattvamasi. I am not the body, not the mind. I am the divine soul. Okay. Okay. Thank you.
सर सर
हाँ.
सर मुझे पता है कि लवीना के अंदर भगवान है, बट आंखों से तो वही दिखेगा ना कि वो एक शरीर है।
आंखों में वो दिखता है, वो शरीर है। तो वो जो कुर्ती पहनी है वो डब्लू से है, तो वो भी आप सोचो, वो तो मैं उसको डब्लू बुलाऊंगा कल से। हाय डब्लू, हाउ आर यू? वो तो डब्लू है ना। जैसे वो जो कुर्ती पहनी है वो डब्लू है, ये भी आप देखोगे वो शरीर भी पहना है, वो सिर्फ एक कपड़ा है ना। सी, ट्राई टू सी बियॉन्ड, try to realize the soul. इसलिए you need, and you cannot realize लवीना में सोल है जब तक you realize कि आप में सोल है। इसलिए लवीना में सोल है, is God realization. Step 2, Step 1 रणवीर में सोल है, पहले उस पर ध्यान दो।
सर मुझे पता है मेरे अंदर सोल है।
पता नहीं चाहिए, पता
Sir,
नहीं चाहिए।
can you explain self-realization once again?
Self-realization is to realize I am the soul and not the body. When you realize it, you have no interest in food, in drink. You have no realized interest in money. You have no interest in anything. Because in the end of the day, I'm asking you a question. Jab marega, when you die, you will take everything with you. Will you take? Then why you are after money today? Why everybody is after money today? No, but they don't know. Do they know? They don't know that their money does not belong to them, that they have to leave the money behind. Everybody knows or they don't know. Jante nahi jante.
Yeah.
Then why they are after money? Ranveer,
Okay.
please pay attention to the difference between knowledge and realization. Don't think anything else. If you want the answer, I'm giving you what you have to contemplate. What is the meaning of knowledge and what is the meaning of realization? And sometimes all these recorded ask they're on Facebook. You can hear again to reflect the answer and then contemplate what is right, what is wrong. Two more questions, I
Okay.
think. Sudeep
Thank you,
Bhargava.
sir.
Thank you, Ranveer. Sudeep Bhargava.
Sir, I'll keep my question for tomorrow, sir. I think Bhagavad Gita mein Sri
Ah.
Krishna had shown his Virat Roop to Arjun. Today you have shown the Virat Roop today, that everything is God. That as good as the Virat Roop. I think I'll ask my question tomorrow only. Thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you. One more.
Nishu.
Nishu Mathur. Last question. Last question by Nishu Mathur. Is there any service which is higher or considered to be better? For instance, someone said that there's no service like helping and serving the voiceless animals, even though divine is all of us, but suffering is of different levels. Or service, just service. Nishu, the answer is this. The answer is that there is no one service which is higher. That's why the answer given to us that we must learn is we all must remain in yoga. We all must remain in yoga. Tomorrow we'll try to cover this point. Yoga means union with God. And to stay in union with God, there are four ways. Service is one, karma yoga. Bhakti yoga is devotion, like Mirabai. Jnana yoga is like Vivekananda or like Ramana Maharishi. And Dhyana yoga. So there are four yogas. We can choose any of these. It is yoga of action, devotion, meditation, education. It is karma yoga, bhakti yoga, jnana yoga, dhyana yoga. Action, devotion, education, meditation. All the four methods are a cycle. We cannot remain in any one. You can't be doing service from morning to night. You can't be in meditation from morning to night. You can't be in education from morning to night. The path shown to us is to be in this cycle. And this is the way to enlightenment. This is the way to God. This is the way to the ultimate goal, to be liberated from the cycle of samsara and to become one with God. Friends, every day you ask such amazing questions that every day is a new learning for all of us. Therefore, it's important to come every day, not to miss the sync of these question answers, because when you miss the link of these question answers, then you have gaps. It's very important for us not to have these gaps. We must continue to come every day and ask all our doubts, clarify, and that is the way to move towards the ultimate goal of enlightenment and realization. With that note, with folding my hands to all of you, I thank you. God bless.